In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Store not working. If your Play Store keeps crashing, won't open, gets stuck on downloading, or simply refuses to work properly, don't worry. There are a few reliable fixes you can try, and in this video, I'll walk you through them in a clear and simple way. We'll start with the easiest solution and move through the most common causes of the problem. First, clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store. Corrupted temporary files are one of the most common reasons the Play Store starts acting up. To do this, open your phone's settings, go to Apps or App Management, find Google Play Store, and tap on Storage. From there, clear the cache first, and then clear the data. This won't damage your phone, but it will reset the app so it can start fresh. After doing that, try opening the Play Store again. If that didn't fix it, the next thing to do is reset Google Play services. This app works behind the scenes and supports the Play Store, so if it becomes corrupted or overloaded, the store may stop functioning correctly. Go back into Settings, open Apps, look for Google Play services, then go into Storage and clear the cache and data there as well. Give your device a moment after this, since Play services may need to refresh in the background. Another useful fix is uninstalling Play Store updates. Sometimes a recent update can introduce bugs or compatibility issues, especially on older devices. To do this, go to Settings, open Apps, select Google Play Store, then tap the menu in the corner and choose Uninstall Updates. This returns the Play Store to its factory version. Once you open it again, it should update itself automatically later. If the issue is related to account syncing, remove and then re-add your Google account. Head into Settings, then Accounts, select your Google account and remove it from the device. After that, add the same account back again. This refreshes the connection between your phone and Google servers, which can solve sign-in or syncing problems that affect the Play Store. Finally, check your internet connection and your date and time settings. A weak Wi-Fi signal, unstable mobile data, or incorrect date and time can prevent the Play Store from communicating with Google properly. Make sure your connection is stable and set your date and time to update automatically if that option is available on your device. After trying these fixes, open the Play Store again and see if it works normally. In most cases, one of these methods solves the problem.